This is the chicken coop. I wanted to give you guys a little tour of how far we've come. That's watermelon from a leftover meal last night, and the color isn't going to come out very well, so it's not really purple, it's just regular watermelon. Here you can see the automatic water that I had in place. It's a gravity-fed system. It's hooked up to a hose that's threaded into the faucet. And what happens is that as the water drains out, the cup lifts up and it fills. So the chickens will never run out of water. So over here, you know, they've been out in their coop now for about 5 or 6 days. They stay out here overnight, and what I've done, they're all taking a little nap here. So what I did is I ran an extension cord out here. There's their heat lamp, and then I made a little box with a little door in it that they can go in and out, and they can snuggle in the box if they get cold at night, or come out if they get too hot. They're fully feathered now. They've got feathers on their head and their body, but I still worry that, you know, it gets into the 40s at night, and it just gives them some options. And then I still have them on the little baby chick feeder. I give them probably half a tube of food a day. A lot of it gets wasted, but I want to make sure they have enough, and then I supplement their rations with grass and alfalfa, and sometimes watermelon as a treat, and other odds and ends that I have. But as time goes on, and the more I read up on how to give them proper nutrition, they'll get more and more scraps, and less and less, we'll have to rely less and less on the feed. Alright, thank you for watching.